Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a long deep breath. Mentally repeat and visualize number 3 three times. Now take another long deep breath. Mentally repeat and visualize number 2 three times. Now take final long deep breath. Mentally repeat and visualize number 1 three times. You are now at a deeper, healthy level of mind. To enter into more deeper, healthy level of mind, I am going to count from 10 to 1. On each descending number, you will feel yourself going deeper and deeper, healthy level of mind. 10, 9, 8, 7, deeper and deeper. 6, 5, 4, deeper and deeper. 3, 2, 1. Now you are at a deeper, healthy level of mind, deeper than before. Feel relaxed for a moment. You are now at a very deeper, healthy level of mind. Now we begin this inner child wound energy clearing meditation. Each of us has an inner child residing deep inside us. The one that is a direct successor of the child we once were. This inner child remains with us at all times and shows up certain desires and actions consciously or subconsciously. In this inner child wound clearing tool, we will be helping our body and energy centers to stay clean and clear by running energies from the core center of the earth and from the source energy. This tool will help us feel positively energized by opening up the free flow of this bright positive energy, which will then clean and clear out our inner child wounds, stagnated energies present in our body, system, and space, where we were made to feel unsafe and unloved as a child if we had a dysfunctional upbringing. Some emotional wounds of our childhood, some psychological wounds, and some physical ignorance wounds we are carrying within us, consciously or subconsciously. During this energy clearing session, You might feel some sensations and heaviness. Need not to worry. This is a sign your stagnated energies are shifting out of your body and system. Now visualize a source of white light cloud 300 feet above your head. Let a beam of this white light fall down from this source energy and enter into your crown chakra. Slowly filling your entire body, system, and space. In your stomach, in your thighs, in your legs. And now this light shoot down from your feet into the core center of the planet Earth and connecting there. Now this light bounce back up from the core center into your feet, up your legs, up into your thighs, into your stomach, and enter into your heart space. Now let the light spread out of your heart chakra like a big ball of energy to cover your entire body first. Let this bright light grow bigger and bigger, stretching out of the entire building you are in, increasing and covering the entire city you live in. Then it covers the entire state. Now this light stretching out in the entire country you live in, and then expand out bigger than the entire planet Earth. Feel yourself connected to the light and oneness of all things. You are now connected to your higher spiritual consciousness and to each other at all levels in oneness. Now first, we ground ourselves by visualizing energetic roots coming out of our feet into the planet Earth, going deep down. Feel connected to the core center of the planet Earth. Now you are grounded. Feel for a moment. Every child deserves the fundamental right to feel safe, secure, and protected. But not every child does. Not all parents, teachers, and guardians accept that responsibility or are aware of that responsibility or have the capacity to fulfill that responsibility. Some of the most common ways we were made to feel unsafe relate to where we were taught that it's not okay to have your own opinions. We were punished when trying to speak up or act differently. We were discouraged from playing or having fun. We were not allowed to be natural and normally accepted. We were not allowed to show strong emotions such as anger or joy. We were ashamed by our parents, family members, teachers, and guardians. We were verbally criticized or abused on a regular basis. We were physically punished or beaten up. We were made to feel responsible for our parents, family members, teachers, and guardians, and their own level of happiness. We were not given physical affection in our childhood, like hugs, kisses, and cuddles. Now repeat after me, either in mind or loud. Anywhere I have been holding such wounds with my inner child heart and made responsible my parents, family members, teachers, and guardians for such a dysfunctional upbringing. Now I affirm and set my intention to clear all such negative feel of unsafe and unloved. I now forgive my parents, family members, teachers, and guardians for their any type of dysfunctional upbringing. I now forgive myself for holding such wounds all since my childhood. I now forgive everyone who is directly or indirectly responsible for my dysfunctional upbringing. I now clean, clear, and transmute from all time, space, and dimensions instantly. Feel the vibrations of releasing such stagnated energies, holding your inner child to feel safe, secure, and protected all times. Take a few moments to feel secure and protected within and outside your body, system, and space. Let's further break down the ways we were made to feel unsafe and unloved as a child if we had a dysfunctional upbringing. There are three types of childhood neglect we may have experienced. First one is emotional ignorance. Second one is psychological ignorance. And the third one is physical ignorance. Now we first clear emotional ignorance. Your parents or guardians somewhere did not show interest in your emotional needs for love, support, protection, and guidance. They either did not pay attention to you or condemned your emotional expressions of need from you. The likely outcome of this was that we developed low self worth and low self esteem for ourselves. We begin ignoring our emotional needs. We learn to hide, avoid, or suppress our emotions as they were associated with feelings of neglect from our childhood. Somewhere we had been developed psychological or physical sickness connected to our inability to listen to, accept, and to deal with our emotions in a healthy ways. Now repeat after me, either in mind or loud. Anywhere I have been holding such wounds with my inner child heart and made responsible myself for low self-worth and low self-esteem, resulting in ignoring my emotional needs, suppressing my emotions, where I feel neglect from my childhood. Anywhere I had developed such psychological or physical sickness, where I feel connected to my inability to listen, accept, and deal with my emotions in healthy ways. I now clean, clear, and transmute such energies present in my entire body system and space, consciously or subconsciously, from all time, space, and dimensions instantly. I now release. Take a few deep breaths and feel such energies are now exiting your system. Feel the vibrations of releasing such stagnated energies, holding our inner child to recognize true emotions and emotional needs. Now I recognize my self-worth and self-esteem, and my emotional state is now lifted up. Take a few moments to feel the changes within and outside your body, system, and space. Now we go ahead with psychological ignorance, wounds our inner child is holding. This type of neglect was manifested in childhood by our parents or guardians who failed to listen, embrace, and cultivate the person we were. As we grow older, we likely developed several varieties of these symptoms, like we developed low self esteem issues due to form of abuses such as laughter, put downs over high expectations, being ignored, rejected, or constantly punished. We have been developed deep-seated anger issues both from unresolved childhood trauma and an inability to love ourselves. We developed addictions and psychosis to create a misguided sense of comfort and safety within our life. We developed psychological or physical illness. We have problems sustaining healthy and respectful relationships. Now repeat after me, either in mind or loud. Anywhere I have been holding such wounds with my inner child heart and made responsible of low self-esteem for myself, I out of variety of abuses resulting in ignoring my emotional needs, suppressing my emotions, where I feel neglect, deep-seated anger issues, both from unresolved childhood trauma and an inability to love ourselves. Anywhere I had been developed with addictions and psychosis or physical illness, or I had problems sustaining healthy and respectful relationships, I now clean, clear and transmute such type of energies present in my entire body, system and space, consciously or subconsciously, from all time, space and dimensions instantly. I now release. Take a few deep breaths and feel such energies are now exiting your system. Feel the vibrations of releasing such energies, holding our inner child from recognizing our self-esteem and psychological needs due to such psychological neglect wounds. Take a few moments to feel the changes within and outside the body, system, and space. Now we go ahead with our physical ignorance. At a basic and fundamental level, physical safety and nourishment are some of the most fundamental elements of a loving relationship. We can see this in nature with mothers and fathers nourishing birds with food, shelter, and protection, which is lacking in our humans. When this is lacking, we are most vulnerable and like to develop physical neglect issues within us, like low self worth, resulting in physical neglect or abuse of ourselves, which then results in eating disorders, obesity, maintaining an unhealthy diet, and self harm behaviors. Intense safety seeking behaviors or extremely risk taking behaviors resulting in unprotected sex, obsessive daredevil feats, addictions to drugs, alcohol, smoking, and violence. We often developed with sexual dysfunction, often due to sexual abuse. Sometimes this sexual abuse come from our neighborhoods or any other fellow persons who never thought of causing addictions to sexual fantasies in adulthood. Now repeat after me, either in mind or loud. Anywhere I have been holding such wounds with my inner child heart, where it made responsible of low self-worth for myself out of variety of abuses resulting in eating disorders, obesity, maintaining an unhealthy diet, and self-harm behaviors. Anywhere I had been developed with intense safety seeking behaviors or extreme risk taking behaviors, resulting in unprotected sex, obsessive daredevils feats, addictions to drugs, alcohol, smoking, violence, and any type of sexual dysfunction due to sexual abuse. I now clean, clear, and transmute such energies present in my entire body, system, and space, consciously or subconsciously, from all time, space, and dimensions instantly. I now release. Take a few deep breaths and feel such energies are now exiting your system. Feel the vibrations of releasing such stagnated energies, holding our inner child wounds, from recognizing our self-worth and from recognizing our physical needs. Take a few moments to feel the changes within and outside our body, system, and space. Now take a few moments to breathe and connect with yourself after such an intense clearing session. You will feel some strong emotions, but it's okay if you don't. I encourage you to take your time and go slowly, being gentle with yourself. It's helpful to remember that while some or even many of our problems stem from childhood neglect, grudges, holding, and blame will get us nowhere. People are victims of victims, meaning that the reason why our parents, family members, teachers, and guardians behaved the way they did was most likely because of their neglected upbringing, and their parents experienced the same traumas, and so on and so forth. Now repeat after me, either in mind or loud. I affirm that anywhere, if I am holding any remaining wounds within us untapped, I now release by setting my intention and by affirming clean, clear, and transmute any type of untapped inner child wounds formed as stagnated energies present in my entire body, system, and space, consciously or subconsciously, from all time, space, and dimensions instantly. I now release. Take a few deep breaths and feel such energies are now exiting your system. Take a few moments to feel the changes within and outside your body, system, and space. Now visualize yourself in a garden full of greenery and flowers. Try to recognize flowers and birds around you. Now see, there is a stage where you are standing. Come up to that stage and feel comfortable. Now ask permission from souls or higher selves of your parents, guardians, teachers, people from your childhood, and people from past lives having unfinished karma attached with you, or having soul contracts with you for this lifetime to appear before you. Now take a few moments to recognize who all are present in front of you. Now ask for forgiveness for anything you have done wrong with them, either consciously or unconsciously, in your childhood or adulthood. See who all have acceded to your request. Now say it loud to the group in front of you. I forgive you for everything you did to me, either consciously or unconsciously, in this lifetime or in the past lives. Now see who all are happy with your forgiveness. Now request them politely to leave you in this moment. Take a few moments to enjoy this moment of forgiveness. Enjoy this moment and open your eyes on your own will. Don't forget to share your feedback.